Stop. A Grok Bot with no skill is just another chat that forgets. Really listen. This is the first skill install path. Copy one routine from a catalog, enable it on your bot, then run a dummy test run before you schedule anything. 4 steps. About 10 minutes. You still approve rights. 1. Pick one skill, not a silo dump. 2. Copy the prompt and schema. 3. Enable it under plugins, yours. 4. Dummy test run. Only then schedule. Stay with me. Weak path. Open BotSkillStack.com. Install 12 skills. Point them all at production Salesforce. Hit schedule. Strong path. Pick one draft-only skill. Call follow-up drafter as a clean first job. Copy it. Enable it on one bot. Test on a dummy thread. You still send. Step 1. Open the directory. Go to BotSkillStack.com. Open sales or productivity. Choose one skill with a clear output format. Prefer draft and read jobs for day 1. Step 2. Copy. Click Copy Prompt. Open View Schema if it is there. Paste into a note. Do not rewrite the whole thing yet. Step 3. Enable on the bot. In Grok Bot, open Settings, Plugins. Install any connector the skill needs. Then open yours. Enable the skill for the bot that owns the job. If / does not show the skill, you forgot yours enable. Fix that before you blame the catalog. Midpoint test run does real work. It can open sites, touch files, and call tools. That is why you use a dummy to count first. Create or open a safe bot. / the skill. Feed it a fake lead note. Watch the agent computer. Confirm it stops where approval should stop. If it tries to send mail or write CRM on the dummy, tighten the skill text. Run test run again. Step 4. Schedule only after a clean test. Only when the dummy output looks right, set a routine. Keep rights behind approval. One bot. Up to 50 routines. Do not fill the slot on day 1. Your move this week, one skill. One bot. One dummy test run. Catalog is not official XAI. Snapshot August 26, 2026. Full directory, BotSkillStack.com. Subscribe if you want the shorts loop next.